Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Mr. Lena. Today I'll be teaching you on how you can win almost 100% disputes on online platform, like every general online platform that you'll be shopping from: eBay, Amazon, AliExpress, Alibaba. This secret has worked for me for past many years, and I have a very high winning rate. Out of 100%, I win at least 90% of my dispute. So the first thing you need to do, this is your package. Let's assume this is your package. Once you get your package like this, make sure you see and make a straight video. Well, listen carefully, a straight video. You don't have to make a very short, maybe you make a video and pause and continue again. No, the video have to be straight. So you give the phone to someone to make the video for you, or put the phone on a tripod. After making a straight video of the general package, make sure your tracking number, your name is straight, then put it on a table and open, and let the video remain constant. And bring out your package from inside. Make sure you open the package and check what is inside. The moment you see what is inside, and try to turn it on. If it is electronics, try to turn it on. When you open the package and you turn it on, and if there's any issue with that particular thing you buy, trust me, you are going to win this case without no stress. You understand? So make that straight video and display that the thing didn't work. And if it is electronics, they will ask you when you open a dispute in any of these online platforms, the seller will tell you that it's supposed to be charged before you power it on. So make sure your video should be straight. Also continue that straight video and plug your power outlet and charge it for a while and try and power it on again. If it does not work, trust me, they will refund your money to you, and you will be happy with your order. So this trick works for me, and it will go a long way for helping many people out there who are also having issues of dispute whenever they buy something online and they can't get their money back. If this is your first time of watching my channel, please do well subscribe to my channel, and in my next video I will be giving you some more tips on how you can buy things from a trustworthy sellers on this online platform. Thank you.